Hey there and welcome. In this particular video, I want to update you to Runway ML's Act One feature that enables you to create deepfakes and animated videos. Now, we're going to actually start with something that's quite fun. So let's go ahead and start with this. This is a project that I worked on. It's a past session, but I just want to show you some of the results of this, and then I will show you as to the mechanics of how this works. And believe me, it's not that difficult. I can show that to you in 10 seconds. But first, we need to have a look at some designs or some videos. Now here, this is not me, okay? It's another person, and I managed to talk through his mouth. Now, you can actually listen and you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. Productivity. To be honest, if I was you, I would just take this course and run away with it, because you cannot imagine the amount of work it actually takes us for productivity. To be honest, if I was you, I would just take this course and run. All right, so as you can see, that is quite nice, right? Now here we have another one where I sound like a vampire, right? I'm inside of this vampire and I'm talking through him. Prompt engineering book that shows, just like the name says, 226 plus ChatGPT prompts that can skyrocket your prompt engineering book. All right, I'm going to pause that for a second. Here we have another one. This is another person. This time he's walking, and I'm talking through him as he's walking. Ebooks. One is the 59 plus ChatGPT hacks to make money online, and another book, the 226 plus ChatGPT. All right, I'll pause that for a second. And then here we have this guy. We've already seen him. But this one is pretty interesting because here I'm talking through an animated character. Let's listen to this as well. Aware of these secret techniques. These are 21 different ways or 21 different business models that can allow you to start earning money online using tools aware of these secret techniques. All right, and here I'm talking through this particular dog. Now, this is very interesting. Okay, so let's just talk through him. Business models that most of the world are not aware of. When I say most of the world, I mean 99.9999% of the population are not aware of business models that most. All right, and then here we have a 2D character. It's an animated character that I'm also talking through him. Let me just let you see this. Okay. This 53-hour course is not like anything we have created at Passive Income Gen Z. It covers 21 fresh and new baking. This 53-hour course is not like. Right, and then here, what do we have more? Now, this one is talking through this guy as well. It's been a long time since I've created a 53-hour course, especially since they take about 3 months to do. But I have done it again. It is yours for the taking. It's been. All right, and of course, I have more to share with you. Now, here, for instance, the previous project I worked on is showcasing the ability that you can also create deepfakes. So imagine a scene in a movie and you talking as that character in that scene in a movie. And so here I have just that. I have a scene of the engineer from the movie The Matrix, and I'm talking through this engineer as he speaks. So let me just show you what that looks like. So this is the engineer, but I am talking through him. Okay, so let's just watch this. What if you could start earning $140 per sale? That is extremely possible with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And we devised a system purely for you. This system is new. We have developed it based on 6 months of work. We have spent a lot of money to find this particular combination, and we give it to you for a particularly low price. What if you could start earning? All right, and you can see that that is a deepfake. Now, I tried some other characters, but here is the thing. Now, if you want to create a deepfake like this, first and foremost, go to the Runway ML app, and then you need to start a session, okay? And what we're going to be using in this case is Act One. So click here on Act One on the left-hand side. It's right here. So if you click on Act One, you can either start recording, okay, which means that you're going to have to start recording a video of yourself. It would be ideal if the video is in the format of these videos that you can see right here, these stock videos. Now, you should be isolating your face and be just showing your face with a little bit of probably just the the upper top, not all of it, just a small part, but focus more on your face and make it a front video where you're facing the camera front to the front and you're looking at the camera. And then record yourself as you're talking naturally, okay? So talk naturally for about, now you can only do 30 seconds worth of video. And so let's say you talk for 20 seconds and just do your normal gestures that you do. And then upload that video here, okay? Upload that video of yourself talking. Or like I said, you can just click start recording if you don't have a ready video of yourself that is pre-recorded. Now, basically, after you have that, you can either come over here and switch yourself or create deepfakes using these characters that already exist in the library. Some of them are photorealistic. Some of them are 3D avatars, like the dog and the old man. Some of them are 2D animated, like this character here. Some of them are illustrated, like a painting, for example. And some of them are actually videos, right? Like this robot here, this lady driving a car, and there is plenty more, right? If you want to sound like this particular ape, you can do that. Or if you don't like any of these character reference videos, you can upload your own videos if you have taken some video recordings. For example, if you want to sound like the engineer from The Matrix, you would have to go and upload a video, short one. I think 30 seconds again is the maximum, but just go, for example, for a video of 20 seconds and then upload it here. But it has to be edited in a way that only shows the engineer front face looking at the camera and talking to the camera. The video doesn't necessarily have to have sound, but your video, the video that you upload here in this zone, must have an audio of you talking. The other one, it should only have the character's lips moving and him looking at the camera, uttering some words. And like I said, it doesn't have to have sounds, right? The character reference doesn't have to have sounds, but the Act One here, this part, this asset, the first one, needs to have your sound or the sound of whoever character you'd like to make or you'd like to speak in the other character's, or basically impersonate the other character. Now, this is a brief description for Act 1 to you. Now, once you have uploaded your assets, both here and here, you can just come to the mode. Now, I would honestly recommend that you leave it at Gen 3 Alpha Turbo and that you can just click Generate and it will just start the process. And you've seen the results of that. We've shown you some examples. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed this particular video right here and you found it particularly useful. It can be used for various purposes. Deepfakes are fun. Just remember that you have to stay within the realms of what is, basically what is permitted. So don't go above what is permitted. Just stay clear from any problems. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll definitely be seeing you in the next ones.